Out of curiosity, I decided to track how much protein I ate on this particular day using an online tool. Keep watching to see how I ended up getting over 100 grams of plant-based protein with no protein powders, no fuss, just easy, mostly whole foods. On days when I eat breakfast, I try to go for something savory to help balance my blood sugar and keep me feeling fuller for longer. This bowl of leftover lentils and veggies topped with roasted tempeh came in at about 64 grams of protein. Pretty impressive for a quick and tasty meal. Lunch started with a nourishing salad loaded with flax seeds, avocado, olives, and walnuts. Roughly 13 grams of protein right there. Then I followed that up with more of those leftover lentils and some chickpea falafels, which added another 32 grams. Getting enough protein on a plant-based diet isn't as hard as it seems, especially when you're building meals around beans, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Not only does protein help with muscle repair and energy levels, it also plays a big role in satiety and overall health. For dinner, I kept it simple with a comforting mung bean and vegetable soup that packed in 20 grams of protein. This was actually my first time trying mung beans, and I'm officially a fan. What I hope this video shows is that if you wish to follow a plant-based diet, you don't necessarily need to worry too much about where your protein is coming from. It's in almost everything. It is estimated that people need around 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. So as long as you're eating a varied diet based on mostly unprocessed foods, you will more than achieve the right amount. And if you need a little extra for the days when you're strength training or doing really heavy exercise, numerous vegan athletes have proved how possible it is to get enough protein, and I hope this video does that for you too. To finish off the day, I had a sliced apple with almond butter, an easy dessert with a bonus 4 grams of protein. Altogether, that brought me to 133 grams of vegan protein in a day, with no protein shakes required. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe because I post a new video every week, and I will catch you next time. Bye!